Most people look at pictures online and think nothing of it. But with the right strategy, those same pictures can quietly earn you passive income even while you sleep. The secret isn't the picture itself, it's how that picture is positioned. Pictures that spark curiosity, promise a small win, or highlight a problem people want to solve. Those are the ones that generate clicks and commissions. The challenge is knowing what to say, how to say it, and which offers match the image you're using. And that's exactly where AI comes in. Tools like Profit Trigger AI analyze what's trending, what's converting, and what people are already responding to. The AI then takes a simple picture and turns it into a high performing asset by generating the perfect hook, the angle, and the micro content that actually gets people to take action. So instead of guessing, instead of posting random images and hoping something works, you're posting content that's intentionally crafted to earn. That's how creators are turning everyday pictures into small but consistent commissions, $10, $20, even $50 at a time. And the best part, you don't need to be a designer, you don't need followers, and you don't need to talk on camera. You just need the right AI to package your image in a way that triggers curiosity. If you want to see the exact tool I use to turn pictures into passive income streams, check the link in my description and sign up for Profit Trigger AI because one well crafted image can pay you again and again.